Hello, I'm Mrs. Liu. Let us look at this maths question. We need to factorize this. So let us take a look at this. X squared plus y squared plus 2xy. Let us do our factorization over here. So we have x and x, and we have y and y. Okay, so x times x will have x squared, y times y will have y squared. So we fulfill this two over here. So now we check. So x times y will have xy. X times y will have xy. We add this together, it's actually 2xy, which is similar to this one over here. So these are the two factors, which is actually x plus y and x plus y. They are the same. So it's x plus y squared. Okay, they say hence simplify this expression over here. So this expression has x squared plus y squared minus z squared plus 2xy divided by x squared minus y squared plus z squared minus 2yz. Okay, so you will take note of this expression A at the top. You'll notice that it looks nearly the same. Okay, it's exactly the same for this one and this one over here. So we replace this red color one with x plus y squared. Okay, so let's look at the top. So we replace it with x plus y squared. So the leftover is here minus z squared. Okay, now look at the bottom one. We need to factorize this one at the bottom. Okay, so this one, to factorize the bottom one, okay, some of you can do it offhand. For those who need help, I'll do it over here. So you have y and z here. Okay, so y times y, you have y squared, z and z, you have z squared. Okay, but you realize it's actually negative yz. Okay, so you need negative, negative. So you multiply together is negative yz, you multiply together, you get negative yz also. So the total is negative 2yz. So when you factorize this, you actually get the factor y minus z squared, because both factors are the same. So using these two expression, okay, you will remember that a minus b square is actually equals to a plus b and a minus b. So apply this over here. So you will actually get x plus y plus z, x plus y minus z. Okay, then at the bottom, you will get x plus y minus z. And then here you will get x minus y plus z. Okay, so you take a look. This is exactly the same as this one. So you can cancel off this two. So you actually get x plus y plus z divided by x minus y plus z. Okay, so this will be your answer. That's all for today. Remember, you are a miracle.